You're watching how Leap lets capture a perfect frame from a video on your iPhone. Open the Photos app and select the video you want to use. Play the video and pause it exactly on the frame you want to capture. While the video is paused, tap the screen to hide the playback controls. Now take a screenshot, press the side button and the volume up button at the same time quickly. The screenshot will save to your photos. Go to your photos album to find it. For more precision, use the editing method. In the Photos app, select the video and tap Edit. Drag the timeline scrubber to find the exact frame. Tap the crop icon. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right and select Duplicate as Still. This saves that single frame as a new photo without taking a screenshot. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.